Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is your grammar class, and my today's topic is chapter 13, present continuous tense. In this chapter, we will learn about the affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and question sentences, how to form, what are their sentence structure using present continuous tense. Let's start with present continuous tense. What it means? Present continuous, also known as present progressive, calls attention to the continuing nature of an act, event or condition. Present continuous किसी इवेंट को, किसी एक्शन या कंडीशन के कॉन्टिन्यूइंग नेचर को डिस्क्राइब करता है. मीन्स जब वो काम हो रहा है उस कंडीशन को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. The sentence structure will be subject plus is am are plus verbs first form plus ing plus object, and it reflects the activity in progress, like I am watching television, I am doing the work. Now it is also reflects the verbs of perception, like he is feeling sad, he is suffering from fever now when do we use the present continuous tense? हम present continuous tense को किन conditions में use करते हैं? First of all, for an action happening right now, जब वो action अभी हो रहा है, जब हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Like I am teaching an English lesson, you are watching a video and so on. Another use is that when we talk about something that is happening around the time of speaking, जब उसके बारे में बात की जा रही थी तब वो काम हो रहा था, बट नॉट नेसेसरी, ज़रूरी नहीं है एट दिस एग्जैक्ट मोमेंट कि इस मोमेंट पे भी वो काम हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे आर स्टेइंग एट ए लोकल hotel because the roof of their house was damaged during the storm. So are staying is a present continuous tense. It reflects the happening around the time of speaking, but it is not doing at the same moment now. Now, how do we form the present continuous tense in affirmative sentences? Affirmative sentences में sentence structure क्या होगा? Subject plus be plus present participle plus object. Look at the example here. Andy is washing the car. Andy is subject. Is be form. Present participle washing. Object is the car. Now, how to conjugating the present continuous tense in affirmative sentences? Look at the examples here. With I, we will use am. You are. He or she is. We and they, we will use are. And the same object, drinking water, again and again. So I am drinking water, you are drinking water, he or she is drinking water, we are drinking water, they are drinking water. Look at the sentences. Drinking water is the same object in all the sentences. We just use am with I, are with you, is with he or she, are with we and they. नेक्स्ट इज इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा? सब्जेक्ट प्लस बी प्लस नॉट प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. लाइक आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग टू हैना. आई सब्जेक्ट, एम बी फॉर्म, नॉट प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल क्या है? टॉक है, वर्ब है, ing लग गया, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल बन गया. टू हैना, हैना इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. सो I am not talking to Hannah is a negative sentence in present continuous tense. Now, here are some examples here. We just use not for negative sentences here. I am not drinking water, you are not drinking water, and all the things that we have discussed just before in affirmative sentences कि I के साथ am, you के साथ are, he, she के साथ is, we, they के साथ हम are को use करते हैं. Now, how do we form the present continuous in interrogative sentences? The sentence structure will be then be plus subject plus present participle plus object. अब are you doing a presentation? Are be form है, interrogative बनाना है, so initial part क्या होगा इसका? are. be form आ जाएगी and लास्ट में क्या आता है? क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है. लाइक एम आई ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, आर यू ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, इज शी ही ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, आर वी और दे ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. नेक्स्ट इज इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेज विद WH टाइप. WH टाइप क्वेश्चंस में क्या आ जाएगा? इज एम की पहले क्या आ जाएगा? WH व्हाट हो सकता है, वेयर हो सकता है, व्हेन हो सकता है. लाइक व्हाट आर द फार्मर्स डूइंग द फीड. सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर ऑलमोस्ट सेम रहेगा. WH वर्ड प्लस इज MR प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ING प्लस अदर वर्ड्स will be there now. Now interrogative negative sentences, it will be the same, it will be add only the word not here. The sentence structure will be then is MR plus subject plus not plus verb plus other words. For example, am I not playing football? Are we not playing football? And so on. Okay students, it's all about your chapter. Let's do on page number 85, 87, 88 and 90 in your grammar book back exercise. Let's start with B part. Change the following into present continuous form. आपको प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस फॉर्म में इसको चेंज करना है. आई गो टू मार्केट टू परचेज ग्रोसरी आइटम्स. द आंसर विल बी आई एम गोइंग टू मार्केट टू परचेज ग्रोसरी आइटम्स. They do not understand what you say. They are not understanding what you say. Who knocks at the door? Who is knocking at the door? In part D, you have to fill ups using present continuous tense and change into negative form. My sister dash food in the kitchen, is cooking food, and my sister is not cooking food in the kitchen in negative form. Her father is going to hospital. Present continuous. Her father is not going to hospital. It's a negative form. We are learning many new things in the school. Are learning is a present continuous. We are not learning many new things in the school. It's a negative form. In part E, you have to make interrogative form the following sentences. The doctor is examining the patient. Is the doctor examining the patient? The child is standing on the roof. Is the child standing on the roof? A monkey is jumping on the roof. Is a monkey jumping on the roof? In part G, you have to change the following sentences into interrogative negative. Interrogate भी करना है और negative form में भी change करना है. We are painting the wall. Are we not painting the wall? The children are singing. Are the children not singing? The panel on climate change is pushing for few methods. Is the panel on climate change not pushing for new methods? Okay students, it's all about your chapter present continuous tense. I hope you get it very well. It's your homework. Do your own remaining parts of B, D, E and G on page numbers 85, 87, 88 and 90 in your grammar book very neatly. Thank you. Have a great